The State of Crypto is presented by Tron, connecting the world to the power of cryptocurrency.
Welcome back. Crypto broker Voyager Digital sends $121 million worth of crypto to exchanges and sells Ether, Shiba Inu holdings. We'll learn all more about it with our CoinDesk Global Policy and Regulation Managing Editor, Nick Day, who's also the editor of CoinDesk's The State of Crypto newsletter. Good morning, Nick. So we're seeing embattled crypto broker platform Voyager Digital selling off its cryptocurrency holdings at a fast rate. Blockchain intelligence firm Arkham Intelligence has been tweeting about it. Tell us what's been going on.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, so this morning a report from our colleague Christian. Seems like Voyager's been selling off a number of the altcoins it's been holding on its books. This might be tied to its ongoing bankruptcy efforts. It might just be that they're trying to consolidate their holdings into, one or two forms of currency that make it easier for Voyager to not only sell its assets to Binance, assuming that deal is approved this week in court, but also to make it slightly easier to pay out its customers when it gets to that point.
All right, so Voyager has halted all its trading and filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection back in July. So what's the latest with those court proceedings?
Well, the big thing now is, as I just mentioned, the possible sale to Binance. Obviously, we talked yesterday about opposition from state regulators in Texas, but we've also seen in the past opposition from federal regulators like the SEC. On the other hand, Voyager's actual investors seem to be interested in pursuing this deal. They have so far, at least as of last week, voted overwhelmingly in favor of selling off the assets to Binance US. And the court overseeing the case is going to have a final hearing on that this week, this Thursday, to basically say, okay, yeah, we have XYZ issues, or this is good to go. Once that happens, then we have to wait for a timeline and when the actual sale will happen, when the actual assets will be transferred. But after that, Voyager creditors and customers can, get some sense of when they'll get their money back and how much of their initial, investments they'll be able to receive.
So, getting to this situation, do you think it's possible that Voyager will be selling off other assets as well? I mean, is it in their interest to sell these other assets prior to, let's say, selling itself to, Binance at some point?
I think it would make sense for certain assets. Like the way I understand it, Voyager's interest would be in simplifying to the extent possible how much it has to handle, for lack of a better term. So, if you've got, X amount of dollars worth of crypto, but it's in 20 or 30 different cryptos, that's a lot more complex than if you're able to consolidate all of it into Bitcoin and Ether, or whatever other small holding of cryptos, or even US dollars. So it would probably be in Voyager's interest to consolidate to the extent possible, and be able to just pay things out when they say when they go through with the deal in just those few forms of currency. But again, that'll be dependent on what the final, creditor rehabilitation plan looks like.